Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an architecture logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo section next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the architecture logo, and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text of your project, click to the text box and click to the edit button, and new go to the keyboard icon. Delete this text, write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find the different font type and just select one, and if you want to change the color of your text, just click to the color section and select another color. If you go to the shadow section, you can add shadows to your text. And if you want to change the graphic elements, or if you want to add the pictures to your project, go to the graphic section at the bottom of the page, and in the symbol section new you can find different graphic elements, or go to the photo section and here you can select photos from your device. If you go to the doodle section, just select a color and new you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, here you can find different object, and just select one, for example the butterfly, and new you can add this to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.